I'm J.W. Pascal, President of VIR Manufacturing Corporation, the home of Auto AC Solutions. On this video, we're going to talk about the VIR, valve in receiver, that was used on many of your General Motors products cars, as well as some Mercedes and Rolls Royces from 1973 through 1978. The first one we're going to talk about is the actual original VIR. These we carry rebuilt and are direct replacements, being that they are direct rebuilt. The newer VIR Eliminators replaces this valve. As you can see, they do not look identical, but they fit to the original hoses with no modification. The tank portion comes with a swivel head, so it can move virtually to any spot you need. Also comes with a low pressure switch, allowing the system to cycle the compressor for use with 134A. The orifice device, as well as wiring and pigtail, oil, and a 134A charging adapter. The VIR Eliminator comes with a full instruction manual. These are great options when doing R12 or R134A. The original VIR rebuilt only for R12. Thank you for listening. Hope you have a great day. If we can be of any other help, please email or call 940-549-0288. Thank you and hope you have a blessed day.